Wall Street is up this afternoon after 3 days of big losses.
And some say today's stock market recovery stems from the possibility of negotiations on President Trump's stiff worldwide trade tariffs, even as the president's latest tariffs are set to take effect at midnight tonight. ABC's Nicole D'Antoni has more.
A big jump up on the big board. The Dow Jones opened 1,300 points higher. The other indexes also opened higher with hints of peace talks in the trade war. The Treasury Secretary at the White House this morning says nearly 70 countries approached the United States to negotiate President Trump's new tariffs.
You're starting to negotiate. How soon do you think we could see some deals be made?
Well, we have one of the Vietnamese officials coming in this week. The Japanese are very eager to get over, and I think you're going to see a couple of big trading partners do deals very quickly.
But China today vowing a fight to the end over trade tariffs. President Trump now threatening even more tariffs against China. The president vowing an additional 50% tariff if China does not step back from its 34% tariff on all imported U.S. goods.
With China, as you know, against my statement, they put a 34% tariff on above what their ridiculous tariffs were already. And I said, if that tariff isn't removed by tomorrow at 12 o'clock, we're putting a 50% tariff on above the tariffs that we put on.
This would bring the tariffs on China effectively to more than 100%. A spokesperson with the Chinese Ministry of Commerce calling the reciprocal tariffs a bullying practice. Some economists saying some of the mixed messaging is adding to the uncertainty in the financial markets.
Well, what we're seeing is the stock market look for any signs that this is a negotiating tool and not an end game when it comes to tariffs.
The Wall Street Journal says tech giant Apple is working on its own tariff workaround, planning to ship more iPhones from India to offset the high cost of shipping out of China. Nicole D'Antoni, ABC News, Washington.